You want to grow your quads without doing squats. Awesome, you came to the right video. Today I am doing 6 exercises that is not a squat. Hey, I'm Nick Andretti, here to help you with health, mindset, and a little bit of swagoo. Yes, I'm all about making sure that I dress up the way I want to dress. That's going to allow me to be confident into doing what I love to do, which is helping you get your fitness on. What up, my dude? So I was going to do a voiceover for this workout, and yes, this video is about growing your legs without doing squats. However, I do believe you could absolutely grow your legs doing squats, but if you have priorities that need to be worked on, aka as in strengthened, you shouldn't be squatting. So right here through the video, you're going to see the first exercise going to be a Romanian deadlift. And what this exercise does is it hits the back part of the hamstring. And for RDLs, you usually want to hit more of higher reps, as in 10 to 12 rep range for the hamstring. But in this video, in this series, we are working with 4 to 6 reps, but a super slow negative, as in 8 seconds. So you want to make sure though, through the movement, you are driving those hips back, keeping the bar close to your body, and having a little bend in your legs as you go down. But again, remember the first moving part is you driving those hips back, and keep those shoulder blades and lats engaged. Do not let your shoulders round, because when you let your shoulders round, you are going to round your back during the movement, and you do not want to do that. So again, 4 to 6 reps, 8-second negative, and when you finish the reps and you finish the set, you're taking 100 seconds rest. You want to make sure you're being consistent with that. Again, before even doing the movement, you want to make sure that you find the proper weight for your working sets so you can stick with it. You do not want to start with an easy weight for your first set. So that's why there's warm-up sets. And usually warm-up sets start with 5 reps, 3 reps, and then your 1 rep. And then you begin that working set. These reps are allowing you to find the first working set. So you're not wasting time, you're not wasting energy on movements, on weight that is not going to do you any good. Okay, so after the A series, after you finish that, you're going to go to the B series, which is a glute ham raise. And you want to make sure that on that glute ham raise that your hips are at the end and you're able to move that full 90-degree On this exercise, we're really focusing on the negative part of the movement, so we're focusing on 8 seconds down again. And when we're doing that, we want to go all the way down, making sure that our lower back is staying neutral and not rounding our back, and our head is staying in a neutral position, meaning we're not looking up and putting unnecessary tension on our neck. But when you're lifting yourself up, thrust through, use your glutes to pick yourself up, squeeze, and then slowly let yourself drop down. We're going to do that again for 4 sets, about 3 to 6 reps, and you're looking at 100 seconds rest again, a little bit over a minute and a half, just a little bit. And then after you do that, now you're going to be coming over to a C series. There's 2 exercises back to back. You are going to rest between sets. So for the C series, we're looking at a ham curl, and we're looking at a barbell good morning. So the first one, C1, lion hamstring curl, we're looking at when you curl up at the end range of the motion, your feet should be in a dorsiflexion, and then as you release it on the negative, you are going to bring your feet to a plantar, meaning toes are pointed right away from your body. This is going to put different tension on the hamstring, so I really want you to pay attention to that, even try that. But we're doing 5-second negative here again, so dorsiflexion up on the movement and plantar flexion on the way down of the movement. Just a different way of hitting a hamstring curl. There's tons of different ways you could hit your hamstring on a lion leg curl. Now you're looking at C2, a standing barbell good morning. I see a lot of people do this one wrong, especially they load a ton of weight on the bar. You should not do that right away. You got to build that up. So my first set, I started with about 85 pounds and I went to 95 because I've been doing it, and I've been adding weight consistently each week. A big one you want to do with this one, before you even begin the movement, you want to make sure you arch your lower back and keep that arched through the movement as you drive those hips back, and go down to a point where it is comfortable for you, where you are not rounding your back, it's staying arched again. That's the right way to do the movement. And before you even begin the movement, you want to make sure that your feet are outside your shoulder width, comfortable, and you want to make sure that your hands placement on the bar is wider than a shoulder width grip. When you go wider, you're going to allow your body to activate those hamstrings, and you're going to be able to feel a lot more comfortable when you have a wider grip. And I really want you to just document your weights, document your progress, right? Focus on 2 exercises that you really want to bring up, and focus on each week seeing if you could add weight. Just keep into that same rep protocol depending on what reps, what energy systems you're trying to hit. So pay attention to that. And then after we do those, after we do the C series, we do got the D series. The D series is a standing calf raise and a leg press calf raise. So these 2, we're just blasting the calves. You want to make sure the standing calf raises we're doing for 15 to 20 reps, pushing through that big toe of yours. Really pop it up there, keeping your legs stiff. Don't allow your legs to be bent, because then you're compensating, you're forcing the reps. You know, we want to make sure that tension is all on the calf muscle. So really focus on pushing through, exploding up on that big toe. We're doing that again 15 to 20 reps, and then after you do that, you're going to take about 15 to 20 second break, and then you're going to go over to the leg press for your calf raises for your D2 series exercise. You're going to do that again for 15 to 20 reps. And after that, you're going to take a little over a minute rest, so you're looking at about 75 seconds rest. And you want to be, again, consistent with your time between sets. This is going to dictate your true reps for these sets. I'm telling you, if you start paying attention to your time between sets and hitting those reps and actually focusing on the proper weights for these exercises, you are going to benefit so much. Again, focus on the warm-up series, the 5-3-1. Find your working set and stick to that working set. Don't go too heavy too soon, because you're gonna hit a critical drop-off point, meaning you are going to, let's say you hit that first exercise for 8 reps and then you fall off the second set for 4 reps. Okay, it means for you the time to move on to the next exercise, and it means that you jumped the gun too fast. Right? This is not ego driven, this is for you. So do it the right way, document your journey, document your progress, and make those right calculated decisions on weight when it comes to increasing the weight. And again, focus on maybe 2 exercises. Focus on bringing up 2 exercises instead of a whole 6 exercises. Focus on 2 that are for a specific body part that you really want to bring up. So I really hope this helped. Excuse me. I hope this helped. Leave a comment below, like this, make sure you subscribe, and tell me what you want to see in the next video. Again, this is training edition episode 1 on legs, and you're going to see from here on out me and my coach and why we're doing what we're doing. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, tell me if this was helpful. Again, I'm Nick Andretti, here to give you health, mindset, and a little swagoo. Alright, take care.